Hey crew, Arturo Spraycasso here. I just thought I'd make a little quick video to let those 200 of you that ordered the professional spray paint jerseys know that they are out and shipping. So, due to the holidays, guys, I know shipping got a little delayed, but they're out. They're out. Let me show you what your kit is going to include. It comes with the 12 original Spraycasso spray paint colors. It comes with the Spraycasso poster board, Spraycasso tool, a DVD, instructional DVD just for beginners, with a limited edition print, one of my paintings. So let me show you the jersey. I know this is what you guys have been waiting for. Oh, look at that. So this is made by a company that actually makes motocross jerseys. So quality is that of motocross. Really good quality, guys. Long sleeves. And look at that. They're just awesome. I'll make another video with a jersey that I got for myself to show you guys what they look like. So anyways, just to let you guys know, they're out for delivery. Let me show you guys. This is another question that I've gotten quite often. The difference between our poster board and regular store poster board. Look at this. I'm going to put this to the light. Look how glossy our poster board is. It is extremely, extremely glossy. This gives you the ability to blend colors better. And it also gives your paintings a nice sheen when it's done. Here's the cool thing. This is what I like about it too. It's got this nice print in the background. That's the Spray Paint Masters Revolution logo. And on it, here you can put the title of your painting, the artist, the date, the media, spray paint medium, poster board 11 by 14. And that's what they look like right there. All right, guys. If you guys want to see more promotional items like this, let me know. Put it in the comments below. Otherwise, we do have some different Spraycasso apparel, shirts, hoodies, all sorts of cool stuff. So, all right, guys. I better get ready for the next tutorial. Just thought I'd make a quick video. So, until next time, guys, keep those cans shaking. And talk to you later. Bye.